Hey guys, Seb Short here, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can earn anywhere between 1 cent and $5 just for clicking on links on a website called www.clicksense.com. So basically what it is you sign up at clicksense.com, or if you're cool you'll sign up through my referral link. So you just sign up, and then I'm just going to log in here for you guys, and then so I can show you. You go, once you've signed up, you go to browse ads, and then here you'll have a list of ads you can click on. As you can see, I've only got one here, and it says this link pays 1 cent. So what you want to do is just click on it, and it will open it in a new tab. And then as you can see here, it has a countdown from 30 to 0. Now this just happens to be a YouTube link. It's not always YouTube. It's a wide range of websites, but you know, they're just trying to advertise a video here. And like I said, you get paid 1 cent for this, but occasionally you do get $5 adverts, but quite rarely. Here you can see it's just coming down 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So once that's done, you can just close that window, and then if you refresh this page, you can see the advert's disappeared because you can't do it again because you've already done it. And then you just go to my account and it's been credited. I started with 8 cents, now I have 9 cents after doing that advert. So once you sign up, like I said, just go to my account and then browse ads. Now you'll see here it says upgrade to a premium account to access more adverts. The reason you upgrade to a premium account is because you have access to more adverts, and this is because some advertisers, they're the people who put their links on ClickSense, and then they pay ClickSense, and then ClickSense pay you. So the advertisers, they prefer it when there's proof that you actually pay for stuff, like with a credit card, when you visit websites. So like you'd pay $10 on here for premium membership. That proves you buy stuff on the internet. So then they'll let you like view their websites. They'll say like, oh yeah, he's buying stuff, come view our website and we'll pay you, in the hope that you'll buy something from their website, which of course you don't have to. Like I said, it's free to sign up. If you're cool, you can sign up through my referral link, or just go to www.clicksense.com and then click register. Yeah, and then that's it really. If you have any questions or anything, you can just comment on this video or private message me on YouTube. Thanks for watching.